I'd like to introduce our new industrial standard level of door alarms. We have three models. The first model is the single port model. It has a 100 dB sensor, or rather buzzer, that can be adjusted in volume. For safety, we've supplied it with a sticker that reduces the sound level until you're ready to adjust it to the level that you require. Simply pull that off. We can also enable or disable that alarm. And now we have for this a single port into which we can plug our high quality door alarm sensor. It simply plugs in to that single port like this. Now this sensor that goes to your door has been significantly upgraded. It's been supplied with a stainless steel armoured cable for the last length to maximise the protection or minimise the damage or the risk of damage to your sensor. The sensor is potted in epoxy and supplied in this metal encasing. Similarly with the magnet, which will sit beside that when it's installed on your door. That's if you have one door. If you have more than one door, simply use this extender on the end of your sensor to daisy chain each sensor from one door to the next. So our advice is when you install the single port alarm, pick the first sensor to be at the door that's closest to the front of your vehicle. Hopefully that will use the 3-meter sensor cable. If it's not long enough, use our 2-meter extender cable to reach there, and from then each door you can daisy chain from one door to the next. And then on the final sensor, when you're ready to finish, put in this loop back cable that tells Motor Monitor that this is the last door that is looped or installed in your installation. Now, this installation has been designed to resist to a small level water ingress into these cables. It also is supplied to be able to be powered with either a 12 or 24 volt supply, and that's simply through this power supply which we supply with you with a 12 volt cigarette lighter plug. There's an indicator for the alarm and there's an indicator to show you whether that port has been enabled or disabled. So that's the single port model.